What's up, boys and girls? Danny here. Today we're going to show you how to install your first Supermod, or at least my first Supermod. Got this carbon fiber 3mm weave spoiler right here that we're gonna put on the back of the vehicle, and here's how to do it. All right, time for spoiler prep. I'm gonna go ahead and just give it an easy wipe with what is left over on the alcohol microfiber, and this should give us a clean enough contact surface to adhere to the car. After this, we apply the tape, and then we put piece and piece together. It should be good. Get that nice and cleaned off. That should be nice and clean for us to now adhere the wing. And then we're gonna let that dry off real quick before we add the spoiler. All right, now that everything's clean, we're gonna do a test fit on the car here. It's gonna go from edge to edge, and that thing's wet where we're gonna apply the car. And I think I'm going to tape off where the car body lines and the spoiler ends meet. And look at that. Completely changes the rear end. I'm excited for it. All right, so I've taped off the points where the ends of the spoiler are gonna meet, and that's gonna give me a perfect centering position for when I apply this. Oh, there's Ozzy making his first appearance. What's up, buddy? Solid. All right, so we got all the double-sided tape on the actual piece. What I'm gonna do now is wipe down the car one last time, a little light wipe, and with that, I'll take off the backing on the adhesive, and hopefully we can do this in one shot. Don't get me wrong, I know most people leave just a tab and then they peel it off once it's on the car. But because of the shape of this piece here, I kind of just felt like I could do the one-shot press on because of how many pieces of backing that I need to take off. You know what I mean? All right, so if you see any air bubbles in the tape, no worries, it'll be okay. That will all be taken care of with pressure when being applied. All right, one more wipe with a clean rubbing alcohol microfiber, and we are ready to place the piece on the Supra. Ain't that right, Ozzy? All right, hopefully that doesn't fall. Okay, Ozzy, you ready? First mod on the Supra. It's on there lightly. Check fitment. I think we are right on the money. All right. There we go. Simple as that. No holes necessary. Pretty simple mod. Thank you, airplane. And that's all it takes. Let's check it out. All right, and that's it. Pressure's been applied. Piece is perfectly centered. Final wipe down, and we're good. That's pretty much it. All right, y'all. So this Raceseng tow hook is pretty easy. Just gotta take that little tow hook cover off, and then we'll slide it right on. All right, as you can see, there's a couple of shavings where the coating was. That's because I did a little bit of a test fit, and I had to adjust it, but I didn't have a long enough 20 mil socket. Yeah, Sharpie should take care of that. All right, so it's pretty simple. The one in the front is going to be the same as the one in the back. On this Supra, you just got to push, and then this little tab will come out that little hole there. Now, it's time for the tow hook. Just got to put it in there. Should be using grease for this, but I don't have any right now. I'll take care of that later. All right, having had adjusted that head, no, I scraped it up, but it'll be fine. You'll see why. All right, so basically, tow hook is on, and now it's straight. All right, back end looks good. Now, when I get some extra time, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a hole in here to be able to put the tow hook through it, and then not have that little cover missing there. Found the other bottle of rubbing alcohol, perched. All right, ready for work, heading out. Now we're ready for our first drive with the new mods. Oof, girl. Zelda looking nice. Definitely makes a huge difference on the car. All right, there we are. It looks so much better with the wing on, even through the mirror right there. All right, guys, that was pretty simple. Got the spoiler on, the tow hook as well. We've got plenty of more stuff coming. Leave your guesses as far as what's gonna be in these boxes back here. Some of it should be a little bit obvious. The rest of it, maybe not so much. But yeah, I think it looks great. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.